The most deserving, one of the most powerful producers today, and she's called the Woman of the Year by the IMC. I'm sure you're proud of her.
I'm extremely overwhelmed. I'm feeling extremely touched. I've always looked up to the jury, so having an award from them is almost it's hit me between the eyes. I mean, Farah, Bharti ji, Chanda Kochar, choosing me. I don't know what to say. I'm just overwhelmed.
Yeah, and like Farah said, you've lost a lot of weight. You're looking very nice. So what are you doing nowadays?
I'm just eating, hopefully, like Pooja Makhi just every 2 hours, but that's gone for a toss with the release of Kya Cool taking over my life. But I hope to lose some weight now. Let's see.
The movie that's all in the news is obviously your venture with Karan, and whether Karina's doing it or Deepika's doing it. So who's doing it?
I'm doing it.
No, you didn't come on. She's always in a move. Thank you so much. Rudrani Chatraj with cameraman Paresh, Zoom. Thank you. She's a very busy woman. Besides acting, directing, producing, and she's also been the jury member of prestigious organizations like this, aren't you?
Yes, I think the Indian Merchants Chamber Ladies Wing is a very prestigious organization और मैं बहुत खुश थी कि उन्होंने मुझे जूरी मेंबर बनाया to give the award to the woman of the year और ये और भी खुशी की बात है that we chose एकता कपूर because I truly believe कि इस साल की वो ही women of the year अवार्ड की डिजर्विंग कैंडिडेट है.
दिस ईयर लुक्स लाइक योर्स. आपकी खुद की एक ऑलरेडी एक मूवी तो हमने देखा ही है. वी सॉ प्रोमो ऑफ इट व्हिच लुक फैंटास्टिक बाय द वे.
थैंक यू.
और उसके बाद जोकर आने वाली है.
एक्चुअली आई थिंक अब ऐसा हो रहा है कि एक हफ्ते बाद जोकर आएगी तो मेरे 2 डेब्यूज होंगे, वन एज एन एक्ट्रेस एंड वन एज अ प्रोड्यूसर. तो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड विद बोथ द फिल्म्स.
बट विच इज़ मोर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर यू?
नहीं, बोथ अरे ऐसा चूज़ करोगे तो फिर शायद जोकर में मुझे ज़्यादा पैसे कमाने का मौका मिलेगा. मैं प्रोड्यूसर हूँ बट इट्स डिफ़िकल्ट टू चूज़ क्योंकि बहुत अलग किस्म की फिल्में हैं दोनों. शिरीन फरहाद एक स्वीट रोमांटिक कॉमेडी है एंड जोकर इज़ अ बिग बजट साइंस फिक्शन ड्रामेडी जिसे हम कहते हैं. इंडियाज़ फर्स्ट ड्रामेडी, ड्रामा मीट्स कॉमेडी.
Farah, also we were talking to Sajid last time, and he was very happy and proud that finally the hatchet has been buried, and he was quite an instrumental role in your and Shah Rukh's film.
He was. साजिद एक्चुअली जैसे हम मैं कहते हैं कि बहुत कम वेल विशर्स होते हैं इंडस्ट्री में एंड स्पेशली फैमिली ऑलवेज विशेस वेल फॉर यू. तो कभी कभी आपके दोस्त शायद they play neutral or they don't, but being a family member, both Sajid and Sajid Nadeadwala were very they literally dragged each of us and said okay, it's a bit like it's high time you all made up. And I think Gauri also was very instrumental in it.
And then the movie
came about organically. It was not pre-planned or anything. It was just that, and it was not कि अगर हम फिल्म साथ में नहीं बनाएंगे तो अब हम दोस्त नहीं हैं. It just happened. I think destiny की बात होती है. कोई चीज़ आप किसी के लिए लिखते हो, फिर वो अगर नहीं, it has to go back. जैसे हम कहते हैं दाने दाने पे लिखा है, वैसे हर फिल्म पर लिखा है that who will do it, and it was just a circle and it had to happen, I think.
Well, absolutely, and we've missed this charismatic duo of Shah Rukh and Farah कुछ time के लिए. तो I think finally back with this movie, you must be very excited.
I think we both are excited because he loved the script, and it's I think my finest script till now. It's bigger and madder than Mehuna and Om Shanti Om. Okay. It's a multi-starrer. There will be 2 other heroes in it along with Shah Rukh. There'll be 1 heroine and a villain and Boman and a young boy. So we are very excited about it.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Farah. There you are, Farah Khan, who's very excited about her movie with Shah Rukh Khan. Rudrani Chatraj with cameraman Paresh, Zoom.
Hi, this is Omar Qureshi. Follow Zoom TV on Twitter and get Bollywood news and happenings 24/7.